Hi traders, so in today's video I finally reveal my real house, and I know it is a really big thing from me, and I just introduce you to my real life, and it will be a really interesting journey to you all. So as you see behind me, there is my house, and basically I built this house with my bare hands, stone by stone, and it was really hard. You know, the sun is shining all day, every day. It is an island, so you know, I can't go anywhere. Just I'm stuck at this island. It is just really hard for me. So, you know, you can learn a lesson, and in this video I will teach you how to live your life. So my first and most important advice for you is, just don't be fucking lazy, because if you are lazy you will lose, and if you are not lazy you can have a house like this, and it is the biggest thing in life to have a real lava house, because not everyone, has a lava house. Just I have one, but I'm really lucky. So in today's video I will talk about how to get one of these, and as I said before, don't be fucking lazy, and if you can, be handsome, because I'm handsome anyway, and it really helps when you try to build a lava house stone by stone. So in this video I will talk about Forex trading. It is really surprising, but I will talk about a really controversial topic, and this is why not to trade really volatile pairs. And just ask yourself the question: are you a gambler or a trader? And you can be anything, but I recommend to you to be a trader and not a gambler, because if you are a gambler you can make money by just sitting in an office all day, and it is freaking boring, because you can't build a lava house in an office if you are sitting there all day. So in today's video you will have the secrets to life. So don't trade with really volatile pairs. Why? Because I know if you are a beginner in trading, there are a lot of scammers out there who will tell you to trade with the GBP pairs, the XAU pairs, and these really high spread pairs that have really just extreme movements in price, but you pay the price for those price movements in price. So don't do that, because that is deadly. Trade with the normal pairs, like the main, the major or minor ones, and don't trade with the exotic pairs, because they will blow your entire account, and you will think that trading is basically a scam, and it is not possible to make money with trading. So just remember to not believe anything that you hear, because if you start trading, if you are a beginner and you start to trade with these extreme pairs, and you use a leverage that is really high, a leverage that is 1 to 500 or 1 to 2000, you will lose your entire account in maybe 2 minutes. And I know these things because I've been there, I've done that, but I didn't have a teacher like me, a perfect one, because you know, to find a perfect teacher, that is really hard, but I am here, so you are lucky. And get this chance and try to just avoid these scams and try. I know it is really hard because you want the basically the adrenaline that comes with trading, that addiction to the excitement of trading, because you are a gambler if you trade this style. But you have to decide if you want to be a gambler or a trader. And if you are excited when you are trading, you are a gambler. And I know it sounds just crazy because you know, life should be exciting, but there is an exception, and it is forex trading. Because if forex trading is exciting, then you are trading with your emotions and not with your brain. And you have to trade with your brain because that is your computer and not your emotions. Your emotions are really great, and you have to use them, but not in forex trading, because that way you can't have a lava house like this. So I hope this video was an eye-opener and some motivation to live your life as you want. And I go back to my house and cook some, you know, some crab and fish and some eggs. Ciao.